The 5 easiest jobs in history. Jobs are usually difficult whether you're a kindergarten teacher or a fireman. Most jobs take a moderate amount of endless challenges and pressures. But what happens if we tell you that there are some jobs that are almost free of difficulty and stress? One, Ladies' Companion. During the Victorian era of 1837 to 1901, if you were a girl with a moderate, non-poor, social level and you wanted to maintain your respect, you can take on a job that is a companion to a wealthy woman who has been reserved for middle class women for a long period of time in order to preserve their social standing and not fall into poverty. 2. Dr. Frogs. You are now in the 18th century, Middle Ages, where there was a widespread belief that frogs had the power to heal, and people ate them and drank the rest of their soup. The demand for frog doctors was growing and they were treated like kings at the time, as frogs were sold as a treatment for rheumatism by burning them and wrapping their ashes around the neck. Also treating rabies, epilepsy, problems caused by difficulty in the urine even if there was severe bleeding, doctors advised frog soup. 3. Mandans. You can scream in a relatively higher voice than others. Well, I got a good job. It goes back to the 11th century, where the defenders were responsible for spreading the news and royal decrees in the city. Even if the gunmen are shouting bad news to the public, this does not put them in danger as they are protected by a strict law by the royal supervision. If anyone tries to expose them badly, he is considered a traitor and will be tried immediately. 4. Ice Cream Connoisseur. This title sounds appropriate when you ask a second grader what you want to become when you grow up. John Harrison is one of the world's finest connoisseurs, with a master's degree in the field, and his fortune is estimated to be around $1 million. A day in the life of an ice cream connoisseur. There is no table of how this day will go, just to taste dozens of different flavors of ice cream, take notes and gauge whether it's good quality to be presented to the masses or not. And if the flavor doesn't get the seal of approval by this connoisseur, you won't go to the market. 5. Hotel Lab. If what you had in mind when you read this title is the person who monitors the hotel's addition and the quality of its food and facilities, then it is wrong. This job is meant by the person who goes around the world and pays a salary for staying at a particular hotel and trying it out as a guest and not a worker. This guest experiences everything inside the hotel corridors: beds, slurry, air conditioning, temperature, location, food, and even the speed of the networks inside the desired hotel. Isn't it not to sit on a clean bed and enjoy surfing the internet while sipping fresh Albertan juice is right to be the new American dream?